Hi, it's Jason at Jordan Bikes. I've got for you Triumph Rocket 3. 2.3 litre, big torque, monster tourer is this. It is the Roadster version, and it's a bit of a rarity, this one. It's a 2018 on a 68 plate. You don't see many this late registered, and it has only done 474 miles. It is actually like new. It's got the big touring screen on there, it's got the backrest, it's got the luggage racks on there as well. Absolute monster bike is this. They don't make them anymore. They are a really rare thing. Big engines like this. They don't normally hang around, but I said this is almost like new. 474 mile on a 68 plate, so still got Triumph warranty on it. Mega engine is that. Tons of torque. Really popular. They don't hang around for long. So it's metallic black with the red stripes down there. And I said it's got the luggage rack, sissy bar, and it's got the pannier bars down there as well, which are an extra. We'll give it a start so you can hear it. What an absolute beast. So you can see the clocks over there. It is ABS as well. 474 miles all it's done. Time to put some miles on it, and it is just stunning. It's an absolutely beautiful bike. Video might not do it justice, so as always, you know where we are at Jordan Bikes. Come down and take a look for yourself, or give us a call.
Hi, I'm Nick, and thank you for watching the video. Just to let you know, the bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine-tooth comb, and we will put a 3-month parts and labour warranty on it. We're so confident it's a good bike that we're happy to extend that for 1, 2 or even 3 years. We also offer finance and PCP on all our bikes subject to status, and the PCPs are on bikes up to 4 years old. So if you like it, give us a call and get it bought before somebody else does. Thank you. Cheers.